From the slum of Ubumwe to the new settlement of Batsinda. This is a City of Kigali urban renewal project coordinated by Ephraim Rusurabeza, project manager for the Batsinda settlement project. The City of Kigali has embarked on a well-thought-out project to resettle its residents, a combination of slum upgrading, better housing for the people, and a new community living. Ubumwe is located in a neighborhood called Kiovu Yabakene, Kiovu of the poor. There's no electricity, no running water, no street address, no land title, no schools, no health centers. However, Batsinda settlement offers more. There will be a low-cost, middle, and upper-scale housing. Residents will be given economic opportunity, training, and ability to sharpen their skills. Services such as schools, health centers, community center will be accessible by transit, from the slum to better community housing.